Geodesign barriers. E51 elemental flood barrier. 90-degree inner corner setup guide. Setting up the first 45-degree inner corner. Start by positioning an E51 metal support at a 45-degree angle relative to the straight barrier. Next, mount the E51 45-degree inner corner panel. Align the keyhole cutout on the corner panel with the mount button on the support of the straight barrier. Lift both panels up together, then slide down to securely lock them into place. Secure the opposite end of the corner panel by sliding the barrier support in from behind, ensuring it locks in position. Setting up the second 45-degree inner corner. Next, position another E51 metal support at a 90-degree angle to the first straight barrier section. Mount the second corner panel. Lift the second corner panel in unison with the first, aligning their keyhole cutouts. Slide down to lock. Then secure the opposite end of the corner panel by sliding the barrier support in from behind, locking it in place. Building out from the corner. Continue extending the barrier outward from the newly formed corner. For detailed instructions on this process, refer to the video guide for building straight sections. Rolling out the membrane. Unroll the membrane and fold the top over by 10 to 15 centimeters or 4 to 6 inches. Secure the position of the membrane with sealer clips. Then rotate the roll by 90 degrees to cover the inner corner properly. Tuck the excess poly membrane to prevent any seepage. Affix the remainder of the membrane to the top of the barrier using sealer clips to ensure it stays firmly in place. Adding loading chains. Place the edge chain over the pre-punched holes on the membrane. Then place loading chains on the excess poly membrane. Fasten the edge chains by threading cable ties through the pre-punched holes. Pull them tight for a secure fit. If you're setting up in windy conditions, it's advisable to add a garland chain. Hang this chain over the top of the barrier to weigh the poly membrane down. And that's it. Your inner corner to the E51 flood barrier is now correctly installed and ready to hold back water levels of up to 51 centimeters or 20 inches. The water's weight ensures the barrier is self-anchoring, offering you dependable protection. For more detailed information and additional resources, visit geodesignbarriers.com.